the other side of sunset, just a little bit west of nowhere, you'll find a secret Yowasis where things are just the way they ought to be, with the Yowie watching over all.
Yada-da-da-da, yada-da-da-da, bum-ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Oh, what a most splendid day. The sun is chirping, the birds are shining. Oh, Ditty, 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 you really must keep your lines straight. Oh, good heavens, this simply won't do. My beautiful woodlands are cluttered with the cluttery clutter. There must be a solution. Ah, inspiration! A production! All I need is a worthy troop of players. Forest friends, gather round. You!
Huh?
Valiant knight!
Me?
Yes, you!
Ever hear of deodorant?
Don't you see that the kingdom before you is being threatened by a most treacherous enemy?
I see a bunch of junk.
Precisely! Rubbish is the enemy, and the enemy is rubbish! Oh. Your motivation, vanquish the enemy!
I should stab the rubbish, then.
Precisely! It's your time to shine! Well, don't just stand there! We need more soldiers, more swords! This battle has just begun! Remember, there are no small parts, only small actors. Ah! Oh, silly me. The lighting is just not satisfactory. You, my furry little stagehands, illuminate the scene. I've heard of a deer caught in headlights, but never spotlights. Superb! How absolutely foolish of me! We need a fair maiden. You! Voila!
Hey! I feel pretty.
Now, mount your valiant steed and ride majestically onto the battlefield!
I don't want to be no valiant steed.
Oh, be a dear, will you? This kingdom still needs a king. Oh, well, if I insist. Cue the orchestra. My queen, your kingdom has been restored to its former glory.
And I'm beautiful.
And curtain! Did I hear encore?